Today we are going to be opening my favorite fashion subscription box, Stitch Fix. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription, or it can be monthly. You pay a $20 styling fee, so less than a tank of gas, and they will send you a box filled with things customized to you. So you let them know what you like through options on their website, through Pinterest and other social media, and then you get a stylist who will pick things that they think that you will like, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home. The best part about this is if you don't like what they send you, you send it back, no charge, no shipping fees. If you buy what's in the box, the $20 styling fee becomes a credit towards anything you purchase, and if you purchase everything in the box, you get 25% off the total. So you really can get some amazing deals from some amazing name brand companies, all fashioned to you. If this sounds like something you would enjoy, I have a link down in the description box that will get you your first styling for free. Let's see what they sent me today. So I didn't have any special requests in this box. Although I am going back to Disney a lot, I didn't put anything in there for it. Everything comes in this cardboard box wrapped in white paper with the traditional sticker. It comes with a prepaid mailing envelope to send back anything that you don't want to keep. This envelope has information on what's in the box and different ways to style these items. Let's see what we got. I think I did tell them last month I got a couple little dresses, and I guess the month before that I got one as well, and I'm really enjoying these dresses, so I think I did put in my preferences that I wouldn't mind getting some more of those. Oh, this is beautiful. This is by Market Spruce, and it's kind of a gray color, super thick cardigan. I actually really need something like this. That's a great first item. And I definitely see some dresses in here. So the first one, oh my gosh. Okay, so you know my favorite neckline, if you watch my channel at all, is this halter kind of neckline. Most of what I own is in that. And this is just a cute little dress with that kind of halter neckline, and it has a stretchy waist, which I like to kind of give definition to my curves. It's by French Gray, which I have several things by French Gray. I'm actually quite a fan of their dresses because they are super soft. This is a good box. The next item is by Beacon. It's a cute top. I mean, it would be really good for work. Not 100% certain about it, but we'll see what it looks like on. Ooh, I like the print on this. So this is a good tank. It's the kind I can wear to work or just around. I'm a huge Paisley fan, and it's a nice navy with a crochet kind of element at the top. It's by Love Apella, which I don't think I've ever used before, but it's cute. And finally, we have a pair of olive stretchy pants by Just USA. So super cute items in the box this month. Definitely a couple of things that I'm really interested in, especially the sweater and that dress. I love that. But let's see what they come to price-wise. So first of all, like I was saying, it does come with these style cards, and it shows the item in some different ways that you can wear them. And then it also has a note in here from my stylist. It says, "Hi Danita, and happy fix day. I'm so happy you loved your last fix so much. I didn't see any styling requests for fix number 8, but noticed you haven't received bottoms in a bit, so I started with the olive Just USA skinny jean. How do you like the color? I like the color. Olive is a good color for me. I included the navy Lavapella crochet lace detail top for you to pair with them for that casual boho chic style you love. Since we're heading into winter and this is sleeveless, I added in the brown market and spruce cardigan. This will also layer beautifully over the purple French gray dress. You're really going to love the boho print and color scheme on this one. Yes, I really do. And the other dresses you've kept from us recently. What are your thoughts on the black beacon top? I added this in because it has a bit of different silhouette than you've been receiving from us. Let me know. XO Amber. Amber's a great stylist. I've had really good luck with her. One of the cool things about Stitch Fix is if you don't mesh well with a stylist, if they're not sending you things that really suit you, you can request a new stylist. Amber is my second stylist, I think, and I've just loved everything she's done. So if I purchase everything separately, I didn't have a styling fee on this one. Every once in a while when you get boxes regularly, they do give you a free styling fee, and this was a free styling fee. So this one doesn't have that $20 off. So my best bet will be if I want to buy the whole box. So the French gray dress is $48. I think that's the same as the last one. I really do love that dress. The crochet top is $48. Skinny jeans are $38. The necktie knit top is $38. That's one I'm not sure about. And then the market and spruce cardigan is $68. That brings the total to $260. If I keep the whole box, I get 25% off, which is $65 off, and it brings the total down to $195. So let's see how they look on and decide what I want to keep. So this shirt is a big no. I have been putting on some weight over the holidays, but even without it, this is I don't like the fit of it. It's a little bit longer than I'm comfortable with. Definitely hugs too tight. I like the print, but I don't like the shirt. The pants, like I said, I've put on some weight. They're a little bit tight, but I think I like the pants. So attractive here, but no. Let's try the next one. Okay, so I definitely am putting on too much weight. But again, it's just super fitted. So even if I weren't all bigger right now, it's just not the style of thing that I like. I like things that are flowy, not fitted. Surprisingly, I think that I may have liked it had it been a flowy bottom, because I do think I like the sleeves and the neckline. But yeah, absolutely not. Let's try the dress. Okay. I think I like the dress. I love the print. I love the fabric. I love the color. Yeah. Put this with some leggings and some boots for work. As a matter of fact, this may be good for my upcoming Disney trip. Yeah, I really like this. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let's try it with this sweater. Oh, this sweater's so soft. So I love the sweater. This is a hard one because it's the most expensive thing in the box, and since I already know I'm not keeping the whole box, I normally wouldn't even think about it, but I love this. So I think this was a really great box. Even the things that didn't fit me the way that I would like were in my style. They were things I would have picked in a store to try on. And if I chose to, I can send those items back for another size, and there's no charge for the shipping either way on that. I don't think that I'm going to do that. I feel like the overall fit of them wasn't good. It wasn't just the size, so I don't think that would fix it. I know I'm keeping this. I love these. I wear these kinds of things year-round with cardigans. I do have a huge collection of cardigans. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one. I really, really, really like it, but I think it's just a little bit more than I want to spend on something I don't need. Whereas this, I think I'm going to wear this to Disney next week. Next week? Oh my gosh, just a few days away. So I'm still thinking about the cardigan, thinking about the pants. Let me know down in the comments what you think I should keep. If you try Stitch Fix, I'd love to know your experience with Stitch Fix. And if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell button to be notified when I put up new videos. I do put up Stitch Fix videos once a month, so lots of cool stuff. So that's all I have for today. So until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Bye-bye.